Meet Dick. Yesterday, his neighbor gave him some information that could literally change his life. But Dick's stuck in the past. You see, Dick and his neighbor have been friends forever. Their incomes are similar, and they're both very responsible people. They work hard to support their families and want to provide them a prosperous future. Every couple weeks, it's payday. They rush to the bank to deposit their checks, and they both manage to save a little bit to keep building up that nest egg. They try to be smart and make the right financial moves. They know they've got to get their money working for them if they're ever going to retire. But Dick's stuck in the past. One day, Dick noticed his neighbor didn't show up at the office. He went over to his house and found him out back relaxing with his kids. So Dick asked him, "Why weren't you at work?" His neighbor explained that he'd taken the time to get started with cryptocurrency, and it's completely changed his life. Plus, now he has money rolling in from showing other people how they can do the same. All he does is use an app to simply share with others. There's no convincing or selling. Crypto U takes you step by step through everything you need to know to get started with crypto. He gets paid for each referral and even shares in the trading fees from other platforms. Plus, if he ever runs out of people to talk to, he can get customers directly from the company. The Customer Factory provides him a never-ending stream of people interested in the program. Put it all together, and this truly is the ultimate gig for side income. But Dick's stuck in the past. He thinks crypto is just a passing fad. So Dick is still investing exclusively in US dollars, while inflation eats away at his gains. And while Dick is frustrated at the mediocre returns from his investments, his neighbor is watching his crypto profile skyrocket year after year. Don't be a dick. Switch your thinking. Switch your currency. Switch your lifestyle. Enroll in Crypto U or start your own side gig for free.